Okay, so I am excited. Today I have a very big box. And what is in this box is my Supia ball jointed doll that I ordered in December as a Christmas gift to myself. So it is now the end of April. So I ordered it mid-December. So that's like 4.5 months, which on their website it says it should take like 90 days for the full doll with makeup and stuff. And it, excluding weekends and holidays and stuff, it did take about that long. So that's very good. They met their time. They took as much time as they said that was to be expected. It didn't take longer. Because I know we all get impatient waiting for our dolls. Ooh, already I'm very happy. These are beautiful ribbons. It's fun to open and get some beautiful things. Ooh. Come on, box. So this is the first time I've ever ordered from Supia dolls. And this is going to be my first ever SD-sized female doll. I have an SD-sized boy doll from Lutz. Yes, it is Lutz, not Lutz. But I don't have an SD-sized girl yet, so I'm excited. Ooh, this is a beautiful box. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to keep it. I have a very small apartment, and I just don't have space for boxes. But I'll take some pictures. That's about the best I can do. Ooh, so... So here we are. Oh, this is so pretty. And I love that they wrapped it around the box like this all the way around. I don't want to like pull it and like ruin the bow. So maybe I'll just cut it in the back and then like, I don't know. I'll try and keep it and do some crafting with this ribbon because this is really pretty. I feel bad cutting it though anyways. Cut here. I could have just slid it off, couldn't I? That would have been smarter. Oh well. We'll slide off the bottom. Here we go. Ooh. So here's the certificate of the certificate. That word is escaping me. Authentication, that sounds wrong, but authentication, that also sounds wrong. Here we go. That's, I guess, my name. And I ordered a Hamin doll on the Ballerina body in milk brown. It's also going to be my first, I guess my second tan doll. Sorry, not my first tan doll. I've got tan USD doll, but she's going to be darker, I think. So I'm really excited to see which color comes out, because it's kind of hard to tell online, you know? And I will keep the pillows for crafting purposes as well. So where... I don't know how to do this. Where should I cut? In the middle? Where's some tape? Tape! Over here. There we go. Get a good look at this face. Oh, she's really pretty. I have to double check though. I think I requested the other face up. There's like the new one. There's like, you know, normal A makeup and then normal B makeup. And I think this might be the normal B makeup with the feathered eyebrows. And I had actually asked for the normal A makeup, but oh well, I kind of just got the company makeup because I personally don't know how to do face-ups, so not well at least. That's a bit of a disappointment. I'll have to recheck the photos though to make sure I'm not getting that mistaken. So here we are, the Supia Ballerina Body Hamin doll. I love the smiling faces. I know smiling doll faces can kind of freak some people out, and I think this one or the Miso doll from Dollits, a lot of people think she's a little bit scary, but I don't mind at all. And this is their new milk brown skin, because they replaced their old tan and light tan. And I like that. That's a beautiful color. I thought it would look a little, like in the photos, it looks a little bit more like fake tan or like spray tan orangey, and I was okay with that. But here it looks a lot more natural. And she feels really nice too. There seems to be a little bit of marbling in the resin. At least it's at like the back of the head cap, so that's okay. I don't mind that. Or in the joints, I understand that they rub together a lot, so it's hard to get the color even on tan skins. I don't see like any seam lines on the, oh, there we go, on the inside, but otherwise the outside's really good. Okay, let's see. I'll try and stand her up or sit her up later. What do I have for hair and eyes? I bought some stuff, but I do not have any clothes for her yet. Maybe I have to go, oh no, the eyes are here. Nope, those are the ears, because she's an elf type doll, so she came with the elf ears as well. I might have to go get the eyes from the other room. Okay. So it's known that Supia dolls, the ballerina body, has a bit of a trouble sitting up, or you kind of have to like engage, I guess, the thigh joints to get her to sit up properly. So let's see if I can do this in order to get, I don't know, it might take some fiddling that I'm not familiar with yet. Let's see. Yeah, so you have to kind of like engage the thigh joint in order to get her to sit up by herself. There we go. But I will do that in order to get some eyes in this girl. And the ears, like I said, are removable. So I got these light blue, like light blue eyes from Lutz. They were having a sale on eyes and wigs a few months back, and I bought some stuff in prep for this doll. So I just use kneaded eraser, usually, to get the eyes in. Okay, so I'm back. I had a lot of trouble putting her eyes in without having her in my lap, so I did that off camera, but here they are. This is the first time I purchased eyes without, like, distinct pupils, so I wasn't sure how I'd like that, but so far I think they're pretty, and then that looks pretty evenly placed. So I'm going to pop on the back of her head. Again, she doesn't really sit up without engaging the thighs, which is hard without both hands. But I'm going to put on the back of the head. There we go. She can sit like that. There we go. Good. Will she stay? Will she stay sitting up? There we go. Not elegant at all, but that's okay. So I've got this wig also from Lutz, like I said, I bought with the eyes, and it's like a gray pink with some braids. I was hoping it would look beachy, Sort of like a sunset on the beach kind of theme for this doll, because she's 10. Makes me think of surfing at the beach. Okay. I'm also terrible at putting on wigs, so let's see if I can do this okay. It's a little bit big, but if I have a wig cap under there, it'll probably fit fine. So let's, yeah, it's a little bit big. I'll just take it off then. So here she is with some clothes on. These are just some shoes I had. I hadn't bought an outfit in prep for her arrival because I know that Supia dolls have wider hips than a lot of like your average SD girls. I do live in Korea and Supia is a Korean company, but I find that a lot of the standard sized Korean companies like Lutz and Titia dolls and some of the other clothing brands, I compared the measurements and all of the hips were too small. So I just put her in one of my American Girl outfits actually. This is Corinne Tan's meet outfit and I'm surprised how well it fits. It actually looks really good. Kind of like really fancy yoga pants. Obviously there's some extra space here because American Girl dolls are a significantly different shape than BJDs. And, you know, the sleeves are too short. But overall, I'm happy to leave her in this outfit until I can find something more suitable. Yeah, so I'm going to zoom in so we can get a closer look. And then I'm going to open the extras that I ordered with her that I forgot to unbox earlier. There we go. So she has really beautiful hands. I think these are super cool. I'm super tempted to paint them. Give her a manicure or something. And then a matching pedicure. I think that would look super cute. Yeah. So first we've got the elf ears that she came with. As I said before, I'm not super interested in having an elf doll, but she did come with the 2 sets of ears, so that's, you know, a cool option to play around with. I think they have a little bit of resin dust in there. I'll probably need to give them a little wipe with a wet Q-tip or something. But those are the elf ears. Then, I don't know, are these the flat feet or the ballerina feet? So she did come with, sorry, the heel feet. She did come with, I believe, the ballerina feet as a gift for ordering the ballerina body. And then these ones I ordered separately with her. So these are the heel feet. And again, these toes are so cute. I'm tempted to paint them. Those are really nice though. These hooks, I'm worried about these hooks getting lost. I'll have to be very careful with these. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that after. The heel feet. And then last but certainly not least, the ballerina feet. And I was a well, I did ballet. I was not a ballerina, but I did ballet for 8 years as a child and teenager. So I was really happy with the fact that Supia offered a ballerina body. I had kind of been looking for one. I'd love to dress her up as a ballerina. Where's this other foot? Can I get it out? Ooh, and already the hooks are dropping, but that's okay. They're all right here. And these are so beautiful. The way that they've got like the bones in the toes, that's pretty accurate to real ballerina feet. Really, really beautiful. Again, a pedicure might look super cute. I'm going to hopefully be able to find her or make her some point shoes at one point. I don't have the skills, but we'll give it a try. And there we go. That is my unboxing of the Supia Hamin doll. the last thing she needs is a name. And I was thinking of Ondina, Dina for short. I did get that name from H2O Just Add Water because I was a big fan of that show growing up. And I was kind of hoping to give her like a beach surfer vibe. That's why she kind of has like sunset colored hair and aquamarine eyes. Or, I don't know, I might go with another name. But I will let you know. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing.